Hello dears, good morning all. I hope that all of you are doing well. Okay. In the last class, we studied the arrival of Gandhi from South Africa for conducting or for leading the independent programs or in the struggle against British in our country. Okay. So, when Gandhi arrived our country, Indians got more enthusiasm to participate in different independent struggle programs. Okay, so Gandhi led so many struggles in different parts of our country. Today we are going to study which are the important strikes conducted by Gandhi against the British rule. Okay, so first of all we can study Champaran Satyagraha. If you listen here, Champaran Satyagraha was the first Satyagraha or first struggle conducted by Gandhi against the British. Okay, so please note it is the first strike conducted or led by Gandhi against the British rule. You know that Champaran was a place in Bihar. There, most of the people were farmers and they conducted or they cultivated their own traditional agricultural crops. But when the British people entered into Bihar and the British people compelled the farmers of Champaran to cultivate another crop that is known as indigo. Indigo in Malayalam we call as Neela. It is used to give color to the clothes. Okay, so it was a commercial crop. Indigo was a commercial crop. So the Champaran farmers, they were compelled to cultivate indigo because of the force of the British people. And the important drawbacks of this idea was that the farmers were compelled to stop their traditional agriculture work. That is the first drawback. Second one, the British people fixed a particular rate or a particular price for the product of indigo. That means the Champaran farmers, they had no right to say any particular rate or any particular cash for their product. So they became the slaves of the British officers. Okay, so it created so many problems or it increased the hardships of the farmers of Champaran. So Gandhi heard about the bad condition of Champaran farmers. So Gandhi arrived in Bihar and he conducted strikes. So especially he adopted his idea of Satyagraha for the first time in India to solve the problems of the Champaran farmers. Okay, so that struggle was a great success and the British people, they were ready or they became ready to hear the words of Gandhiji and they were ready to solve the problems of the farmers of Champaran. Have you got the point? Okay, so this is about Champaran Satyagraha. So once again I am going to say, let me your attention here please. Champaran was a place in Bihar and most of the people in Champaran was farmers. So they were ready to do agriculture work with great happy and they cultivated their traditional crops, especially food crops. And during that time, when the British people entered in Bihar and they forced, because the British people understood that Champaran and most of the Bihar the land was very fertile one, so it is so easy to cultivate and to earn more and more cash. So British people were very cunning one, so they compelled the Indian farmers, especially the farmers of Champaran, to cultivate which crop? Which crop? What's the name of that crop? Yes, indigo. Okay, so our farmers were compelled to cultivate indigo and our farmers were ready. For the first time they were not at all ready, but when they compelled, they were ready to do this work. And the poor condition was that they didn't get enough price for the indigo crops. Okay, so it increased the burden of farmers day by day. So they became more poor and poor. So when Gandhi heard about the bad conditions of Champaran people, Champaran farmers, Gandhi reached Champaran and he conducted Satyagraha. Okay, the important feature of this strike was that it was the first strike Gandhi conducted in India against the British people. Okay, it was the first strike conducted by Gandhiji against the British people in India. Clear? And the Satyagraha was a great success, and the British people ready to give enough cash for the people, and it solved the problems of the farmers in Champaran. Okay. Now we are going to study another important strike conducted by Gandhi, that is first one Champaran Satyagraha. So next one Kheda Satyagraha. Kheda Satyagraha. Okay, listen here. Kheda Satyagraha. Here also Gandhi conducted Satyagraha, because yesterday, so in the last class we studied what is Satyagraha, and it was an important idea implemented by Gandhi against the British. Okay, so here also Gandhi conducted strike, and he used the idea of Satyagraha against the British people. Okay, here the problem suffered by the farmers were that you know that in our country agriculture was coming to occupation, and most of our people were led their life. Most of our people, their important job was agriculture, but agriculture mainly depend upon climate. So if the climate is not a favorable one for the growth of agriculture, the yield will be very less. But the British people, they were not bothered about the bad climatical condition. They compelled the farmers, whether the climate is bad or good, the British people want to get a particular rate of tax from the side of the Indian people. Okay, so they compelled the Indian farmers to give a particular amount of tax. So when the climate was very bad, our farmers couldn't pay enough tax to the British people. So it created so many problems for the farmers in Kheda. Clear? So Gandhi here also conducted strike against the British people in the form of Satyagraha, and he compelled the British officers to obey the important or to solve the problems of the farmers in Kheda. Okay, so this Satyagraha was also great success one. So the British people, they were ready or they were compelled to reduce the tax rate for the farmers. Okay, so listen here. Champaran Satyagraha, the problem was that the cultivation of Neelam, or we can say cultivation of indigo, the farmers suffered a lot of problem. Because indigo farmers, they couldn't get enough cash from the British side. But in Kheda Satyagraha, the farmers had to pay huge amount of tax to the British people, whatever may be the condition of the climate. Clear? If the climate is good one, farmers had no problem to pay the tax. But if the climate is not at all so good one, they had to face so many financial problems. Okay, so when Gandhi came here, he introduced his own idea, that is Satyagraha. So the British people, they totally changed from their attitude, and they were ready to reduce the tax for the Kheda farmers. Clear? Now we are going to study the third strike conducted by Gandhi in India. Gandhi conducted so many strikes, but this year you have to study for important strikes. First one Champaran Satyagraha, next one Kheda Satyagraha, and now we are going to study another important Satyagraha, that is that is Allahabad Mill Strike. So it is the third strike conducted by Gandhi in India. It is known as Allahabad Mill Strike. Okay, so we can study more points about that. So listen here. Here the problem was that in Allahabad so many Texas mills existed during that time, and so many workers are also there. But the English people or the British officers, they were not at all ready to give enough salary or wages to these workers. So they got very little amount of salary, so they had to face so many financial problems. So they conducted different types of problems or agitations against the British. But the British people, they are not at all ready to give salary or to increase the wages of the workers. Okay, so it created some struggle between the textile mill workers and the British officers. So Gandhi heard about this bad condition. So Gandhi came here also, and he conducted satyagraha, or he conducted his own idea to solve the problems. Okay, so here also the satyagraha or the strike conducted by Gandhi was victorious one. So the textile mill workers, they got high salary. Okay, so the problem solved. So these are the three important satyagrahas conducted by Gandhi in our country. So first one, Champaran Satyagraha. Then second one, okay, Kheda Satyagraha. And third one, Allahabad mill strike. Okay, so it is a time to wind up here. So if you have any doubt, you can contact with me. Okay, study well. Thank you. Bye bye.